The final step in our four-step process of problem solving is to act. This is where it may seem that systemic intelligence has little to say. But surprise, SysQ has a lot to say about this step. In particular, there are two essential SysQ skills of this step that, if overlooked, could limit or negate any potential good from implementing any strategy from step 3, no matter how awesome. These two aspects, or skills, are improvisational action, systemic orchestration. You'll learn more about these skills in the remainder of this video. The first SysQ skill essential for step 4 is improvisational action. It's the ability to apply a learn-as-you-go mindset. This is akin to the scientific method. As new data arises, we need to adjust the strategy. New data might indicate that we've insufficiently framed, analyzed, or strategized. Improvisational action is the ability to adjust on the fly, to learn as you go. This requires conscious action. You can't just implement the 4 or whatever number of steps from a strategy planning process blindly like zombies. You need to start implementation and watch. Be conscious. If things aren't going as you expect, revisit the other steps. Have you framed the problem right? Do you have the right map? The right model? Is the strategy right? Make sure you have leading indicators to guide you. They'll tell you if you're on course. If not, revise, adjust. Systemic orchestration is an important and overlooked concept as well. It means to know that there will be phases of implementation. Some things are crucial at different stages. At the beginning of a process, you might need to focus most on gaining support or buy-in. The next stage might be to convert that buy-in to resources and capacity development. These first few stages might take a couple of years, and then, only then, can you use that capacity to make improvement. What often happens from strategic planning is that it identifies important areas of focus. For example, buy-in, capacity development, application of capacity. If you don't apply the systemic orchestration previously described, you may try to do all at once. This will either take much longer or even lead to failure. Action, implementing a strategy, must be done consciously. Two key SysQ components of conscious action are to understand systemic orchestration and apply an improvisational learn-as-you-go approach. At this point, you may start to identify new unexpected issues. These may be precisely because of success, and they may lead to framing up new problems, which sends you around the learning loop again and again and again.